Hey, today I want to share a day in the life of a content creator. And the day I want to share is yesterday, although yesterday was a very abnormal day as far as my content creation process goes, and it was abnormal for two reasons. One, I was traveling. My son and I went to Las Vegas last week, and we were traveling home yesterday, but we had a great time in Las Vegas. I didn't spend a dime on gambling or drinking or marijuana or anything like that, so I didn't lose any money, but I did make money. And if you watch my shorts over the last week or so, you can see how much I made. But yesterday we were traveling home, and after a long, busy week, I was exhausted, but I did get some time on the airplane to just edit some videos and strike up a conversation with the people next to me. And it turned out that the person sitting in my row also was a content creator. He made TikTok videos, and he was actually traveling to meet his girlfriend, who he met through his channel. It was pretty interesting. So we had to strike up a good conversation about that, different strategies about growing on our social platforms and these kinds of things. But it just goes to show you that no matter who you are, you really can make an income online. Now, the second reason why yesterday was abnormal, though, was that I made a very low income online. Yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I only made I'm sorry, take that back. It was day 157, and I only made $18.52. Now, I think a lot of the reason for that, and in fact, I know that a lot of the reason for that was that after Christmas, people start saying, do I really want this thing? And so they'll return it on Amazon. And so a lot of the money that I had previously claimed in days past was now returned and subtracted from my commission. So that's going to happen. I mean, when you're selling online like this, there's going to be people who, whether they got a gift and want to return it, or sometimes they buy something and then they decide, well, this isn't really what I wanted, so they'll return it, and that comes back through subtractions from my commissions. Now, that being said, I still made $18.52, and the thing is, I didn't actually review any products yesterday. I didn't upload any videos yesterday. So that $18.52 actually came from previous videos that I had done, who knows how long ago. So in a way, it's passive income. I know that there's never really truly passive income when it comes to doing anything. There's always a little bit of work involved, but the goal of an online content creator is to make enough videos so that in the future, you get these commissions and that you don't have to really do anything at that point. Of course, you want to continue making some videos and you want to increase your income if you want to do that. And there's going to be some products that do well in a season and don't do well in another season and these kinds of things. But all being said, $18.52 for not uploading a single video yesterday, I'll take it, right? So that brings my total over 157 days to $14,682.01. I'm on a journey to try to make $100,000 in a year, and so far this is how I'm doing, and right now I'm averaging $93.52. So all that being said, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.